Hi everybody, this is Kathy from Kathy's Creative Crafts and more. Welcome back to our channel. Today I am coming along with my project share, what I am sending my partner for the Care Bears. And me and my partner are a little delayed in sending each other's our swap. Miscommunication, and of course I had my family here, not too sure what happened with her, but I practically had my Care Bears practically completed. I just needed last touches, and yeah, so I've already completed, and I just wanted to go ahead and show you what I ended up creating. So sorry for the shadow. So this is my memory decks. We're supposed to insert a memory decks in there. Okay, so there, that is what I'm sending her. We are sending CareBear banner, and this is my banner. It is I believe up to 3 pieces, and there you go. Oh my goodness, that shadow was bad. I do apologize for that. So this is 1 and this is 2. How cute is that? And then in the middle there's another one. I'm not going to pull it out because it's already like ready to go, and I just don't want to repackage everything because of course it's going to take me longer to put everything in the box, back in the box, and just send it out. I think 2 pairs of embellishments. So this is my first pair. I'm sending her this extra. I think, not too sure if we were supposed to do 2 store-bought items or not. Might be rereading somebody else's swap here. And here is my other one. How cute are these? Oh my goodness, aren't these cute? And of course, I don't remember all the names to the Care Bears. Yeah, I remember seeing them when I was younger, but that's it. I am sending her a Care Bear pen. There you go. And then here is my other set of embellishments. How cute are these? Oh my goodness, how cute. Anyways, that's it. And I've already packaged it up, but I did want to show you guys. We were supposed to do a backpack. And so I ended up, this is what I ended up creating. Of course, I want to thank Christy Ann for showing, she had a tutorial on how to make the cute mini backpack. This is, I believe, a 6x4. Yeah, something like that. Anyways, so here is my backpack. How cute is that? So look at the sides, and this is a pocket here, and I put some of the extra die cuts. We were also supposed to do a charm. I think that's why I was behind on my charm. I was like, we had supposed to do a charm, and I'm like, OMG. So I went and I started making one as soon as I was able to while my grandkids were here. And yeah, this is what I ended up coming up with. Oh my goodness, I do love it. So yeah, so I have like share. I wanted to say share bear, but I didn't want to put share. I can't say share. Sorry, sheer bear, wish, and harmony, or yeah, harmony. Yeah. Anyways, so I didn't want to put bear at the end because of course we all know that they're bears. Yeah. So anyways, and then inside you zip it open, and you have some rosettes in here. So yeah, I hope my partner likes what I'm sending her. Again, I was delayed, and that was it's just my from me, being late, and I do apologize. I do hope that she likes everything that I created for her. And you guys, I want to thank each and everyone for joining along and watching. We'll see you guys in our next video. Bye for now.